All right, everybody. Working with the scale drawing assignment, what we just did is I went over and I picked up the printer, picked up the page from the printer. There's the assignment that had just printed out. So let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and lay this down on the table. And I'm going to go ahead and measure to make sure that the scales are correct. So what I'm going to have here, I'm going to utilize my scale. Now, we'll talk about scales and how scales function later on here. But what I'm going to use is what you're very familiar with. I hope that you're familiar with. This is the standard 16th inch. There's 16 inch division standard ruler. Okay. So I'm going to come down here first, and I'm going to measure the line up here first. Now, I'll go ahead and slide this up over top so we can see it better. And what you can see now is that this object that we drew the line is measuring 5 inches. Okay, so we're at 5 inches on that object. That's great. That's printing 1-to-1 scale. Now we're going to come down here, and this circle, if I measure from one side of the circle through the center to the other side, as the definition of diameter is, we have a 3-inch diameter circle. Now, as I come down here at 1-to-2 scale, although it says that it's 5 inches, we know that this is not going to be 5 inches. It's going to be half of 5 inches, because at 1-to-2 scale, everything should be half size. So we are now set. You can see that that is 2.5 inches on our ruler. And then we'll slide down and check the diameter also from one side through the center to the other. And we're at 1.5 inches, which is half of 3. So hopefully, this takes you through the scale drawing assignment, and you get a good feel for how to complete this assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know. So jump into AutoCAD and go for it.